This is the Cowick Bridge, people. And we have lots of friends last night. Remember, share the live, people. Share the live. Please share the live. Share the content. Whoa, watch out now. So this someone now cross it, people. Ready? Ready? Come when you're ready, you know. Watch out, people. People, share the live, people. Look on the danger. Share the live, people. Share it live. Whoa! How flowers this? This are my classmate, people. Junior Flowers. Junior Flowers. Junior Flowers, huh? Mad. CFAS. I'm my classmate, people. CFAS. There's Junior Flowers. Watch your people, live.
How we deal with it?
I'm a classmate, man. Junior Flowers, you know? Original Junior Flowers.
Drive back over.
Drive back, carry back. People don't try this at home.
Drive back.
Them well trained, you know, people, so them used to it.
Come over now, Charlie, come back. I want for the
People want to share and show the government, share this. People, this is Trelawney. This area connect Manchester over there, and this is Trelawney over here. This road carry rise to Niger River, Balaclava, St. Elizabeth. This is a main road straight to St. Elizabeth. Not worse of people, try. Try is on the level. Worse of the on the hill. This road carry right through Balaclava, Cowick Park, straight through St. Elizabeth. You just crossed the corner? Yeah? Yeah, come down. Yeah, come. Whoa! That was crazy. Give me rum. You see if I see rum, people. But I drink rum same time. Share the live, people. Share it. No. What the rum thing? Oh, you have to balance it. Oh. Watch it. Take your time, man. Watch your rum. Oh, it go there now, yeah. You have a rope there now, yeah. See rum, yeah. People, watch it. Share the live, people. Tag the people, them. Whoa, watch your people. This is very adventurous. It's come like Mystic Mountain. I swear to God. Yeah? So I want people live.
Oh, come on, you're back, Lord.
Now, Flowers, brave the hell.